Welcome to the Easy English Learning Channel.
Today we learn daily routine vocabulary and sentence in English. Haughty. Arrogant. She is haughty girl. Peep. It's rude to peep at others' house. Float. The girl float in the water. Flaunt. She liked to flaunt her money. Gust. A gust of cold wind made me shiver. Fear. She feels fear when injecting. Alms. He always gives alms to beggars. Energetic. We are feeling energetic today. Messy. Her cupboard is always messy. Calm. She is trying to stay calm. Polite. She always polite to everyone. Shy. The girl is shy to everyone. Bully. Don't let them bully you. Strict. The teacher is very strict. Brave. She is very brave girl. Tidy. Her house is always tidy.
Get to like, share, and subscribe to TeenTube for more fun-filled educational videos.